In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile transactions in Wave Accounting. To get started, open Wave Accounting and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the main menu and click Accounting, then select Transactions. This is where all your imported bank and credit card activity lives and where reconciliation takes place. On the Transactions page, enable the Reconciliation toggle. Turning this on tells Wave you're about to compare what's in Wave to what's on your bank statement. Next, choose the specific account you want to reconcile. Pick the exact bank or credit card account that matches the paper or PDF statement you have on hand. Now enter your statement details. Type in the statement and date exactly as it appears on your statement. This date anchors the reconciliation period, so accuracy here matters. Then enter the closing balance from your bank statement. Make sure you're using the closing balance for that end date, not today's online balance, which might include pending items. When those details look right, click Start Reconciling. Wave will show you the transactions for that account up to the statement end date, along with a running difference between Wave and your statement. Your goal is to get that difference to $0. Begin matching transactions line by line. Compare deposits and withdrawals in Wave to the ones on your bank statement, verifying dates and amounts. Mark each match as you go. If something doesn't line up, pause and double-check the basics. Confirm the account you selected is correct, the end date is accurate, and the closing balance was entered without typos. Also look out for duplicates or transactions that might be dated just outside the statement period. Filters can hide items, so make sure you're viewing all transactions for that account and time frame. As you verify deposits, withdrawals, and balances, keep an eye on the difference shown at the top of the screen. It should steadily move towards zero as you match items. If a number still won't match, review any prior reconciliations and make sure earlier periods are correct, since an earlier discrepancy can carry forward. Once every transaction that appears on the statement has a matching entry in Wave, and the difference reads 0, you're ready to complete the reconciliation. Finish the reconciliation process to lock in those results. And that's it. Your transactions have now been reconciled in Wave Accounting. Thanks for watching.